Hello, my name is Dr. Kara Gomez, and I'm one of the instructors for Lifetime Fitness and Wellness, and I'm going to show you the steps for setting up your ebook and your labs. First of all, you need to check your DSU email for a temporary passcode that you would have gotten from brightwave.redshelf.com. If you don't see in your inbox, you can check your other folder or your junk folder. You can also use the search function and type in Brightwave and see if it comes up. When it comes up, copy the passcode. If you do not see any email, hang on tight. At the end, I'm going to tell you what to do if you don't see that passcode. Then you're going to go to www.redshelf.com. You're going to log into Red Shelf using your DSU email and that temporary passcode. Red Shelf is sort of like a bookshelf. So if you have other classes using Red Shelf and other textbooks, you might need to scroll down to look for the Lifetime Fitness and Wellness textbook. But it should come up as an icon on that home page, and then you might just need to scroll down to look for it. Also, next to your Lifetime Fitness and Wellness textbook, there should be an access code or a courseware link. You're going to click on that and copy. It should be a 20-digit access code. So you're going to copy that, and then we're going to go over to your lab program. All of your labs are going to be done through KHP, but we need to get it set up the first time, and all the rest of the times you're going to use Blackboard to access your labs. So you're going to go to www.khpcontent.com. You're going to use your DSU email and that access code that you just copied to register. So it's going to take you through a few prompts. You're going to register. One thing you're going to need to do is choose your course section by locating your CRN number. Your CRN number is on the top of your Blackboard link for this course. So your Blackboard course might look something similar to this. Up here is your course information. This 5-digit code here is your CRN number. So for this specific course, the number is 12166. Yours may be different, so you have to look for that code, and it should associate with your instructor's name. So when you go to register, you need to pick, and you've got into KHP, you need to get yourself into the correct section. Once you are completely set up through KHP, completely registered, what you are going to do is log out. Log out of KHP and close the browser. Now we're going to go to Blackboard, and we're going to do the rest of your labs through Blackboard. So what you're going to do is go back to your Blackboard course, go to Module 1, look for your Activities and Assignments folder, and then click on the Pair Textbook and Blackboard User Assignment link. So I'm going to go back over to Blackboard and show you what this looks like. Okay, so here's my Blackboard. I have this in Module 1. So you're going to click on Module 1. Now yours might be set up slightly different depending on how your instructors set it up. But it should be in that first module or first assignment area, however your instructor set it up. So you're going to go to Module 1. For me, it's under the Activities and Assignments folder. For somebody else, it might just be right under the first module. They might not have a folder. And then you're looking for this assignment link. Click here to pair textbook and Blackboard user accounts. So you're going to click through this. Mine is already connected, but the first time you do this, it likely is not going to be connected. You're probably going to have to use your DSU email and whatever passcode you use or whatever password you set up. But when you finish, it should say welcome and your name, and that's how you know that you are paired. Now, next I'm going to show you what to do when you want to complete each individual assignment. When you are ready to complete a lab, you're going to go to the assignment link in Blackboard. Click on the link and it will take you straight to that KHP page. You're going to click on the textbook. I don't think mine has the textbook in it. Yours should, because the teacher version looks different than the student dashboard. You're going to go to the chapter associated with the lab. So for example, lab 2.1, the associated chapter is 2. lab 9.1, the associate chapters 9, 11.1, associate chapters 11. So whatever that first number is, that's the chapter. You're going to choose the V icon, then go, then complete your lab, and then hit submit. If you did that and you'd already paired your course, your Blackboard with the textbook, your grade should automatically come over into your Blackboard gradebook. So again, this is in my specific section. To get to your assignments, choose Module 1, at least to start. You go to Activities and Assignments and scroll down until you're ready to get to a lab. When you need to do a lab, you're going to click on the assignment link. You should already be paired. Like I said, mine looks different because I'm an instructor, but you should see your textbook. You're going to click on the textbook. You're going to see the chapters. Each lab is associated with a chapter. Select the desired chapter, go to the page, go to the V icon, go to go, complete the lab, and hit submit. And last, if you did not get that initial email at all, you can't find that initial password to even start this process, then what you're going to do is go to www.redshelf.com, select the login button, look on the upper right area, select forgot password, follow the prompts, reset your password, and then try going into Redshelf and starting all the way back. Let's see if we can go backwards here. Login, this would be step 2. Once you reset your password, you're going to go to step 2, and then you're going to follow the prompts.